Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to rename files in Linux. Chapter 1. Rename file in Linux using MV. To begin, open the Linux terminal. There, use the ls command to view the contents of the files in the desired path. Now you can rename a file using the command mv file new name. Then, with the ls command, you can commit the change. You can rename by file type. To do this, run the command ls *extension -l. You will see files of this type. Now, to rename several at once, if they exist, execute the command on the screen indicating the new extension. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. To validate, run the command ls *extension. Chapter 2. Rename file in Linux using rename. To start, open the system terminal. Then, install the utility with the command sudo apt install rename. Wait for it to finish. We are going to list the files to be renamed. For this, execute the command ls *extension. After this, to rename that file, execute the command on the screen. Remember to indicate the new extension. Finally, check the change, run the command ls *extension. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.